3 beds offering over 1,000 square feet of accommodation arranged over 3 floors, separate lounge, separate garden room, complete upper chain, ample off-road parking. Shefford, let's go. The property benefits from a lovely sunny rear garden with just a short stroll to the High Street in Shefford with its range of amenities and bus links. This is a property you definitely need to view to appreciate the space on offer. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, we'd love to show you round. Do give the office a call.